Now, LaunchCode is a nonprofit providing free, accessible pathways to digital careers, and they recently announced a launch programming course for you guys here in Northwest Arkansas. Very excited to learn more about this nonprofit and about this program. Here to tell us more, we've got Jeff. Hey, Jeff, thank you so much for joining us.
Hey, good morning. So glad to be on with you today.
Hey, thanks for joining us. So can you just tell us the mission of LaunchCode and about the work that you're doing in our community?
Of course. So LaunchCode is a nonprofit, and we exist to help fill the tech talent gap. We know there are companies and employers in Northwest Arkansas, just like in many places around the country, who need a lot more talented people with technology skills. And we know there are a lot of people who would love to work in technology careers, but haven't had access to gain the skills that are necessary for those jobs. And so what LaunchCode does is provide free, accessible training. We teach people to code. We teach them how to be web developers, software developers, and then we help them get jobs with employers in their own community.
Wow, that is a huge scope of work that you do, and very needed at this time in our society. So you're bringing a free tech training program to Northwest Arkansas, and what kind of details can you share about that program?
Of course. So this is our program that we call LC 101, and again, it's a fully free and accessible program. So the way the program works is people will spend about 6 hours a week in a synchronous learning environment in the evenings, 2 classes in the evenings per week, and they'll spend typically 15 hours or so a week outside the classroom over the course of about 28 weeks in order to learn the skills that are necessary to step into a first job as a software developer or a web developer. And during those learning opportunities, they're going to learn fundamentals of programming taught in a language called JavaScript. And they're going to learn a deeper dive in a job-focused skills in a language called Java. And when they complete that program, they're ready to step out into that world with a local employer and find that place in a tech career for them where they can really create value for an employer and step into a job that's going to carry them into a career that we know, given the high demand for technical skills that exists today, particularly in the post-pandemic world, are really, really necessary. So we're excited to be able to reach hopefully around 120 or 130 enrollees for this program in Northwest Arkansas.
That's amazing. Wow. And I did read that after completion, you will also help the students with job placement. Is that correct? Sorry, did you hear us, Jeff? You'll help students with job placement after they complete the program. Is that right?
Uh-oh, we might have lost Jeff.
Yeah, it seems like we've lost.
I'm so sorry, Jason and Jackie. I've got some kind of technical issue.
That's okay.
Please forgive me.
Yeah, no problem. So you do help people with job placement after the program is over, is that right? Looks like we've lost Jeff there. Yeah. But what a great program that he has here in Northwest Arkansas. Yes. We've got details on our website right now about how you can apply to this program. Again, it's free. There's an info session happening tomorrow night from 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, and that session is online, so you don't have to go anywhere. It's an online event. Again, Jeff, thanks so much for taking the time to call into the show. We appreciate that.